First, compare the flow rates of the two fittings. Conventional barb fitting on the left and TOYOCONNECTOR on the right. Have a look at water flow in the tank. The difference in water flow discharged is due to the larger effective cross-sectional area of these two fittings. TOYOCONNECTOR has the 1.4 times larger effective cross-sectional area than barb fittings. The larger effective cross-sectional area of TOYOCONNECTOR results in energy savings with higher flow rate and less pressure loss. Next, comparative data of pressure loss and energy usage of TOYOCONNECTOR and conventional barb fittings. Here are the tests we performed for comparison. Measure water pressure and flow rate at the middle point with water circulated by pump. Comparison of the pressure loss and energy usage of TOYOCONNECTOR and barb fittings. First, barb fittings. Subtract outlet pressure from inlet pressure to get the pressure loss. 142 kilopascals. Next is the TOYOCONNECTOR. The pressure loss of TOYOCONNECTOR is just 71 kilopascals. Our test exhibited 50% less pressure loss with TOYOCONNECTOR attached on both ends to conventional barb fittings. Our test exhibited TOYOCONNECTOR contributing 24% energy saving to conventional barb fittings. TOYOCONNECTOR has the larger effective cross-sectional area than barb fittings. TOYOCONNECTOR is effective in improving flow rate and pressure loss. Energy savings can be expected.